going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna be going to the junkyard with my dad and my brother Lalo. So I'm gonna take you guys with me. I'm gonna try and find the O2 sensors for my Accord right here. That's all I need left to get this thing running. I'll let you guys know what junkyard we go to, and so if you guys see anything that you guys may like, you can go check it out. So I'm recording this video today and I plan on uploading it tomorrow. Then I'll see if there's anything for the Lexus, just any cool parts, even parts that aren't for our cars. If we find them, probably just pick them up, sell them on OfferUp. If it's something rare, you can find some pretty cool shit at the junkyard. So yeah, I'm gonna take you guys with me. Yeah, like the last time we went to the junkyard, we got these fenders for the Celica. Some vented fenders. It's pretty hard to find those. Yeah. See if we find any cool stuff. Then still waiting on Lalo to paint this car. But yeah. And yeah, these are real vents. They're not fake. I don't know if you can see through. But yeah, they're actual vents. So yeah, I'm gonna see if they have, hopefully they have some TOs. I don't know what I need, but probably when I get there I'll see if I need anything. But yeah, I'm gonna take you guys with me and my brother on our junkyard adventure. What's up, buddy? Trying to go to the junkyard? No, just kidding, you can't go. Big boy. We're at the junkyard now. See, in the Honda and Toyota area. So the imports. See what we can find. Yeah, this is the only place that's coronavirus free. I found a free bag of tools.
Take it, yeah? Now you have to carry it.
Why? You can't carry it? It's too heavy?
Oh, there's a cord. Aquí hay una cord.
No, that's not. Este no es el mismo año.
Oh no, this is a Lexus. Fucking Lexus.
Let's see. 98 to 02 Accord.
No, this is like George Dad's. Look at seven. Tiene que ser Accord de 90. No. Sí, pero no, ese es de 4, es lo mismo.
Oh, that one's a 4-door?
No, es lo mismo. Tiene que ser igual del body, de las calaveras. Esta es de nosotros. Oh, this is isn't this, no, this is the first one?
Yeah. Lalo, where's my dad? What? What? Where'd he go? Oh, he's over there. Ooh. Thought we lost him.
Ese sí lo... No, no, pero ese no se puede. Mira el mismo motor también. ¿Y este?
Olivier, they got a Del Sol right here. If you need any parts. Yeah, cord over there. There's a R6. Oh no, let's go check. If it has any good parts, we can still take them. Sell that shit on OfferUp.
Shift knob? Oh, no.
Is it?
No.
No. Oh, this one's auto though.
I think when I see no, when I see I think this shit's complete.
This paint is sick.
Color?
Yeah. You think we can just peel off the paint?
Okay, what? What's wrong with you?
Take it and put it on my TL?
When he needed something, he told me. Should I call him?
It's a 2002.
Should I call him?
If you want to, he's probably knocked out though. But yeah, guys, comment down below if you see your car or if you need anything from here.
Oh, this color is sick.
I'll get it for you.
And we'll just charge you a $50 finding fee.
Eh.
Where's my dad go? Oh,
Which junkyard are we in, Lalo?
San Bernardino?
Yeah, but what's this one
I
called?
don't know.
Alright guys, this one's located in San Bernardino. I don't remember the damn name. TL. Is it Type S?
No.
Nope, base model. Check if it has the base model wing though. That base model wing looks good. Oh, check. Here, I'll leave you the tools in case.
Just take them.
No, in case you guys need it. Look, it even has a spare and everything. Damn, no wing. They spec front lip or not? Nope. Sometimes they don't search these cars thoroughly, and there's gift cards. I've found gift cards before that actually work. Like in between the seats, glove compartment, shit like that. Damn, this thing smells like straight cigarette, bro. The Mitsubishi up there. What's this? This is a Celica. Yep, 91 Celica. So you guys, if any of you need some Celica parts, well, the door's locked, so never mind. It's a 4-door Integra LS 95. TSX is right here.
Oh, you found it?
Yeah. Run.
We found those screws my dad needed for the brake pads.
Look at the look. Look at the look on your face. Look at the look. Look.
Oh, bitch. Where is
No, I'm just kidding. It's right here. Next one. Look.
Did you find other TLs?
No, just. El Accord? No,
Yeah,
no he visto.
It's right here.
Oh, this one right here. Oh, we'll check it right now.
I just need that fucking intake hose.
It's a 2008.
I know, this is a new car.
Damn it. What are your tail lights all red ones?
Bumper. Oh no, this is bumper different.
¿Es que se la cura?
Yeah, my tail lights
Igual
are
de Lalo.
I needed the badge, but they broke it.
¿Qué la estabas loco?
Are your tail lights the same?
Yeah.
Nada.
You don't like this bumper or what?
It's different. The lip won't fit.
Just buy a different lip.
la línea para el filtro de aire.
Ahí está,
Damn.
No, pero no es la línea.
Oh, they took the driver's seat. Oh, say you should have took the whole interior.
No sé cómo. ¿Ves que no sé cómo explicarlo?
The intake hose?
Yeah, the whole engine, the tranny's gone.
They took that shit for a swap. They're gonna swap that shit into RSX, bruh. They took the floor mats too. I was about to say you should take them.
I've been looking for the OEM floor mats too.
Damn, these seats are in good condition.
Oh, the trannies are here. Wait, what is this? Can't tell.
If any of you guys need some TSX parts, right here. What row is this? 63?
Yeah.
Row 63 imports.
I'm just kidding.
Shouldn't be gone by the time you come back.
There's nothing here I could even use though.
You don't need a gas cap?
No, I'm trying to think. I needed something, but I don't remember what it was. Fuck, and this is the all black interior, dude.
I know. Do you have a spare tire? They got a spare tire.
Yeah, mine has a spare tire.
Damn, look, it has all the...
Bro, this is not even that bad. It's still in good condition.
Does yours still have this?
Yeah. No, I don't know.
This
I don't know.
shit
This
hold,
bumper's
it
nice.
holds the wheel down.
Oh, it's fucked up. Yeah, it's rotten. Nowhere. Fuck, I needed something, dude. Can't remember what. I don't want to take the seats, though. Look, they already fucked them up. Try to see if it can find the intake hose. And then the air hose, the air box, yeah?
Where's the airbox?
Right there on the floor. Otro Corolla, mismo color. Maybe still attached.
Oh. They probably took that
Maybe the
shit.
transmission. It's an auto though. If it was manual, I would have took it from the fucking. They're not that expensive.
There's only one TSX?
Yeah.
You said there was 3 TOs. I only saw one.
I thought it was gonna be my lucky day.
¿Qué?
No, no tienen nada.
¿Es el único?
Sí, nomás tenían uno. Oh, another one.
Oh, okay. Let's check this one first.
Yes. Could just put the bag down. Come on. Is it stick? Oh, it is stick.
This one stick?
Stick shit.
Oh shit.
Why is this standard? They put Mitsubishi wheels on it?
Yeah, this guy was a ricer for sure, bro.
Oh, it has a same engine, same sensor. You want to take this one instead?
Yeah.
Este sí tiene el sensor, pa.
Is that the bottom one?
You can't tell.
It has the stock wheels.
Los rines son los que tienes.
Sí, y son los originales. Yeah, look.
Y a Javi le gusta todo eso original.
Honda.
Tiene los 4.
Y dice Honda.
Y las llantas están más o menos.
Honda todavía también. I'm gonna send it to him. So if you're a 96 Del Sol with the stock Honda wheels. The trunk is all ricered out. I mean the hood. But this one was manual too.
También era estándar, pa.
Alright guys, so we just got home not too long ago. Let me go ahead and get the O2 sensors out the car. Alright guys, so these are the sensors we got at the junkyard today. Damn, look at that tan line. Yeah, these are the sensors we got at the junkyard today. They're the O2 sensors for my Accord right here. Probably be installing these on the next video. I'm for sure getting some less aggressive wheels. But yeah, anyways. I'll be installing these on the next video and then we'll be starting this thing up. Seeing how it sounds so you guys can hear it. And then yeah, I can finally smog it. get it registered again. It's on non-op. And then I have a whole shed full of parts, so I'll be throwing all that on there, taking off that banner right there, and then, you know, putting the Street Series banner. But yeah guys, thanks for watching today's video. We'll be installing these either on the next video or the video after. I think the next video I'm going to be doing the dash cam on my TL. So yeah guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. We're almost at 600 subscribers. So yeah, let's shoot for 1,000 by the end of the year. I'm pretty sure we'll get there way before, but that's the goal. Alright guys, I'll see you on the next video. Peace out.
Cause in this world, baby, there's a lot of fucking drugs, but you the only thing that could really fuck me up. You get me to another level that I ain't never seen. Got me asking for more, now I'm starting to fiend. Cause in this world, baby, there's a lot of fucking drugs, but you the only thing that could really fuck me up. You get